Hog's Breath Cafe. One of the few left. With copyright music. Wow, look at that. A few months late birthday present from my friend Letty. And Hog's Breath Cafe. One of the few remaining ones left. There were thousands or hundreds in Australia. All started in Queensland. So that's a huge steak. That's that big. Not bad actually. Anyway. That's the thickness of it. Good inch and a half. Very thick. Time to put it into my mouth. Very hard to do. Cut and eat at the same time. That's amazing. Beautiful. Let me know if you ever want a proper video about Hog's Breath and the history. Well, it's been done before. So with my Agent Orange facial rash from shaving, cheers. And this Hog's Breath Hotel is right up the road, or down the road from the Ulster Hotel. Nice old hotel. Anyway, thanks for watching. Cheers.